Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Qlik Sense for self-service analytics, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Qlik Sense for self-service analytics, first, ensure you have a valid Qlik Sense license. Visit the Qlik website to download the latest version of Qlik Sense. Select the appropriate edition that suits your organization's needs. After the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. Choose the desired installation directory for your Qlik Sense application. When prompted, select Install to begin the installation process. Once the installation is finished, launch Qlik Sense Desktop from your Applications menu. On the Welcome screen, you will be prompted to enter your activation key. If you do not have an activation key, sign in to the Qlik support portal to obtain one. Enter your activation key in the provided field and click on the Activate button. Wait for the activation process to complete, which may take a few moments. After activation, you'll be directed to the main Qlik Sense Hub interface. From here, you can begin creating your first app by clicking on Create New App, give your app a meaningful name and click Create. Once your app is select Add data from files and other sources to import your datasets. Follow the prompts to upload your data files or connect to a data source. After your data is loaded, click on Edit to begin creating visualizations. Choose your desired chart type from the visualization options available. Drag and drop dimensions and measures into the chart to populate it with data. Continue to customize your visualizations using the Properties panel on the right. Once you are satisfied with your visualizations, click Save to store your app. You can also create sheets to organize your visualizations effectively. To share your findings, use the Publish functionality to make your app accessible to other users. Regularly check for Qlik Sense updates to ensure you have the latest features and security improvements. This process enables you to harness the power of self-service analytics with Qlik Sense effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.